On Friday, December 1st, 2023, a tense situation unfolded at an Arco AM PM convenience store in Victorville, California. Around 1:43 p.m., Sheriff's Dispatch received a chilling 911 call. A woman inside the store claimed the man she was with, later identified as Jorge Cardenas, was armed and had threatened her. As she hid in the bathroom, deputies raced to the scene, where Cardenas waited outside in his car. What happened next was captured on video, and shows just how fast a dangerous encounter can escalate.
We got no visual on the driver, but it looks to be occupied by a driver.
Hey brother, do me a favor, come here. Hey, stop. Slow pursuit. Fuck you up. Sam 5, I'm hit. Shots fired. Sam 5, I'm hit multiple times. Said meds. Suspect down. Sam 5, that's affirmed.
Sorry, you hit?
Yeah, I'm hitting the leg, I don't know where else.
That's your win 5, we have deputy hit. I'm gonna cover him up, keep lethal.
Copy.
Anybody else inside?
This is the only suspect.
Here, take it up. Holster, Shane, holster. Over there!
Alright. Where are you hit? This leg, I don't know where else.